Hey there. Ever wondered how we could make sending money as easy as sending a text message? Well, that's exactly what blockchain technology is helping us do. Let's dive into this amazing innovation that's changing the way we handle money. You know how we used to send letters through the post office, but now we just tap our phones to send messages instantly? The same revolution is happening with money, but this time it's even bigger and more exciting. Picture this. Instead of one big book that keeps track of everyone's money in a bank, imagine thousands of identical digital notebooks, all updating at the same time. That's blockchain. Think about how the internet changed the way we share information. Well, blockchain is changing how we share and manage value, whether that's money, property, or really anything important. Let me tell you a quick story. Remember trying to send money to someone in another country? The old way was like sending a package through 10 different post offices. Slow, expensive, and you never knew exactly where it was. But with blockchain, it's different. It's like having a magical glass tube that connects you directly to anyone in the world. Money zips through instantly, and everyone can see exactly where it is. The best part? Just like social media connected people directly without needing a phone company, blockchain connects people's money without necessarily needing a bank. It's putting financial power back in your hands. And don't worry if this sounds complicated. We're going to break it down into super simple pieces that anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how something so powerful can actually be so simple. Now that we've got the big picture, let's peek under the hood of blockchain. Think of it like building something amazing with digital Lego blocks. Each block is special because it holds important information about money moving between people. Let's make this super simple with something we all love: pizza. Imagine you're buying a slice from your favorite pizzeria. When you pay, that transaction needs to go somewhere safe, right? In blockchain, this payment information gets packed into one of our special blocks. Here's where it gets cool. Each block is connected to the one before it, like a chain of paper clips. And every connection has a unique fingerprint called a hash. Think of it like a special friendship bracelet that only these two blocks share. Now, instead of keeping all this information in one place, like your local bank's computer, blockchain copies everything across thousands of computers worldwide. It's like having a whole team of friendly robots working together to keep your money safe. Here's the genius part. If anyone tries to mess with any block, its fingerprint instantly changes. And since all computers have copies, they immediately spot the difference. It's like having thousands of security guards all watching the same vault. The best part? Everyone in the network has to agree before any changes are made. Think of it as a digital democracy where everyone votes to keep things honest. No sneaky business allowed. Let's put it all together with our pizza example. 1. You buy the pizza. 2. The transaction goes into a new block. 3. The block gets its special fingerprint. 4. All computers verify and save it. 5. Your pizza payment is now super secure. And that's how blockchain keeps everything safe and trustworthy. It's like having the world's most secure digital piggy bank, watched over by thousands of friendly computers working together. Now that we understand how blockchain works, let's explore what makes it so special. Imagine having a superhero's utility belt, but for handling money. Blockchain has 3 amazing superpowers that are changing the game. First up, super security. Remember your piggy bank as a kid? Now imagine having thousands of copies of it, each watched over by different people around the world. If someone tries to break into one piggy bank, all the others immediately know. It's like having the world's biggest neighborhood watch program, but for your money. Nobody can sneak past this many watchful eyes. Superpower number 2, no middle person needed. Think about sending a note to someone sitting next to you in class. Would you give it to the teacher to pass along? Of course not. Blockchain works the same way. You can send money directly to anyone, anywhere. No bank needed as the middleman. It's like having a magical bridge that connects you straight to the person you're paying. And here's the third superpower. Everything's clear as glass. Imagine if your wallet was made of clear glass. You could see exactly what's inside, and so could everyone else. That's how blockchain works. All transactions are visible to everyone, but only you can access your own money. It's like having a glass safe that everyone can see into, but only you have the key. These three superpowers working together make blockchain revolutionary. Super secure, no middleman needed, and crystal clear transparency. It's like giving the internet a trustworthy upgrade. Now that we've got our blockchain superpowers, let's see them in action. These aren't just cool ideas. They're already changing how we live and work. Get ready to see some real-world blockchain magic. First up, sending money overseas. Remember Maria? She used to spend $50 and wait 5 days to send money to her family back home. The money had to hop through 4 different banks, like playing a very slow and expensive game of leapfrog. But with blockchain, Maria now sends money instantly, paying just a few cents. It's like having a magical zip line that sends money straight to her family. No more waiting, no more huge fees. Next up, smart contracts. They're like tiny robot helpers that automatically make sure everyone keeps their promises. Imagine a digital vending machine that's super smart. Put in the right code and payment, and it automatically makes sure you get exactly what you paid for. No paperwork, no waiting, no arguing about who owes what. It just works, like magic. Now, let's peek into how Walmart uses blockchain to keep our food safe. Before blockchain, finding the source of contaminated food took nearly a week. That's a long time when people's health is at risk. With blockchain, Walmart can now trace any food item back to its farm in just 2.2 seconds. It's like having a super fast food detective that can instantly tell you the life story of every vegetable in your salad. And this is just the beginning. From tracking diamonds to protecting art, blockchain is making things faster, safer, and more trustworthy everywhere it goes. It has immense potential to revolutionize various industries globally. Time for the really exciting part. Let's see who's already using blockchain to make magic happen. These aren't just ideas or experiments. These are real solutions helping real people right now. First up, Santander Bank's Money Express. Before blockchain, they were like a pizza delivery service that had to drive through every neighborhood in town before delivering your pizza. Now with blockchain, they're like a teleportation service. Zap! Money appears exactly where it needs to be. They've helped over 2 million customers send money instantly across borders, saving them tons in fees. Remember how we talked about things being clear as glass? Well, meet Everledger, the superhero of diamond tracking. Before blockchain, buying a diamond was like buying a mystery box. You couldn't be sure where it came from. Now, every diamond gets its own digital passport. It's like each diamond has its own Instagram profile, showing exactly where it's been and who owned it. They've tracked over 2 million diamonds this way. And check this out. Artists are using blockchain to protect their digital art. Before, copying digital art was as easy as taking a screenshot. Artists had no way to prove they were the original creator. But with blockchain, each piece of digital art gets a unique signature that can't be copied, like a fingerprint. Now artists can sell their digital art knowing it's protected, and buyers know they're getting the real deal. These are just a few examples of blockchain in action. From banking to diamonds to art, blockchain is making things better, safer, and fairer for everyone, and new uses are being discovered every day. Now for the most exciting part. Let's peek into the future. Blockchain isn't just changing how we do things today, it's opening doors to possibilities we never thought possible. Get ready to see what's coming next. Imagine your phone becoming your personal bank. No more waiting in lines or filling out endless forms. Need a loan? Just tap a few buttons, and smart contracts check your history instantly. Your digital wallet will be like a super smart assistant. It helps you save money automatically, finds the best deals, and even invests your spare change in opportunities around the world. Buying a house? Get ready for the easiest home purchase ever. Instead of drowning in paperwork for months, blockchain will make it as simple as buying something online. The entire process, from checking the house's history to getting a mortgage and transferring ownership, all happens automatically through smart contracts. No more waiting, no more stress. Your medical records? They'll be completely secure, yet instantly accessible anywhere in the world. Imagine traveling abroad and doctors having immediate access to your medical history, but only with your permission. Artists, musicians, and creators will be able to sell directly to their fans, getting paid instantly and fairly for their work. No more middlemen taking huge cuts of their earnings. This is just the beginning. Every day, innovative people are finding new ways to use blockchain to make our world better, fairer, and more connected than ever before. The future isn't just bright, it's brilliant. We've been on quite a journey exploring the amazing world of blockchain. Remember how we started with that simple idea of making money move as easily as sending a text message? Well, now you can see it's becoming reality. Think about all the superpowers we discovered. Super security that keeps your money safe, direct connections that remove unnecessary middlemen, and crystal clear transparency that builds trust. We've seen how banks like Santander are already using blockchain to help millions of people send money home faster and cheaper. That's not just technology. That's real people having more money for what matters. From tracking diamonds and protecting art to making house buying easier and healthcare smarter, blockchain is like giving the internet a trustworthy upgrade. It's making things better, one block at a time. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Every day, creative people are finding new ways to use blockchain to solve problems and make life easier for everyone. You might be wondering, how can I be part of this amazing future? Well, you already are. Every time you use a blockchain service, you're helping build this new digital world. Whether you're sending money, buying art, or just learning about blockchain like you are now, you're part of this exciting revolution. The future of finance isn't just coming, it's already here. Thank you for joining me on this blockchain journey. Remember, every big change starts with small steps, and together we're walking into a brighter, more connected future.